Good morning. So for today's assignment, you are to complete a Google form quiz about COVID-19 after having the discussions yesterday. So in my student account, I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I will make sure I go to the correct class. And now you'll see a posted assignment today, COVID-19 check-in. You have to open it. You'll notice in the directions here, use our COVID-19 resources from yesterday and our discussion to help you answer questions about COVID-19. You must open the Google form to complete your quiz. So I'll do that, but in the directions it's telling me to use the resources from yesterday and our discussion. So I'm going to actually open up another tab, go back to Google Classroom, so then I can kind of have two tabs open so it's a little bit easier for me. And so if I go back, it says resources from yesterday. So I'm going to go back down to, I'm not in the right one. I need to make sure I'm in my student one. I go to the correct Earth Science class. And so, posted a new question Monday, March 23rd, 20. So I have to go into that assignment, and there are lots of comments and people posted answers. So I'm going to be flipping between a lot of the resources you see here, the class comments added, and my classmates' answers to help me. All right. So I'm in COVID-19. I'm going to open the Google form. It's going to open up another tab. And so COVID-19, understanding COVID-19 is the key to beating COVID-19. Hashtag together we win. We can only do this if we all work together to try and beat it. And so in each question I see in parentheses something important. From COVID-19 slides, what are three main symptoms of COVID-19? Well, if I don't automatically know, I can go to the slides, open it up, and help me find the answer there. You can also search through your student answers or classmate answers, try and find it through there as well. Okay? I'm not going to spend all the time kind of going through it because this is your job. This is what you have to find. Show me that you were participating yesterday, using the resources today, kind of getting a feel for how well we can use this program. So from COVID-19 slides, what are three main symptoms of COVID-19? I see at the end, check all three that apply. So that means there are three correct answers here. I don't remember off the top of my head, so I'm going to go to the COVID-19 slides. And I read through the slides, and then I'd look for those keywords. What are the three main causes? Or sorry, not causes. What are the main symptoms? So symptoms are like, if you have it, this is what we'll see. Oh, right here, I see on slide 5, a lot of the symptoms are similar to the flu, which you may have had before. It seems to be dry, itchy cough, fever, kind of hard to breathe. So dry, itchy cough, fever, can't be vomity, must be difficulty breathing because that seems to be most closely related to kind of hard to breathe. And so you can follow that same pattern through the rest of the Google form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Once you've done that, you'll hit submit. And then response submitted and assignment marked as done. Once you're here, you can choose to open the assignment, and you'll see keeps doing that. Shouldn't be doing that. class, COVID-19. See, it'll say up here, your work turned in. Okay, I haven't figured out how to make sure it gets attached. I'll try and figure that out, but I will see you turned in once you've completed the form. Okay, that is how we'll complete our assignment today. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. I will respond as quickly as possible before noon. I do have a conference from 9:30 to maybe 10. So if I don't respond to your email around 9:30, 10 o'clock, it's because I'm in a meeting with a lot of other people. Take care. Have a good one.